Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make layer pudding. First, gather all your ingredients such as milk, sugar, and cornstarch, along with your chosen flavorings. Next, prepare 2 distinct pudding mixes, ensuring they are ready for cooking. Finally, make sure all your pots, whisks, and serving dishes are clean and prepared for the process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pudding creation. Now, let's create the first delicious layer. In a saucepan, combine your dry ingredients like sugar and cornstarch, then gradually whisk in the milk. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens to a creamy consistency. Once ready, carefully pour this first pudding layer into your chosen serving dish. Allow it to cool slightly before moving to the next step. With your first layer cooling, it's time for the second. Prepare your second pudding flavor using the same method as the first. Once the first layer has cooled enough to form a slight skin, gently pour the second pudding mixture over it. Be careful not to disturb the bottom layer. Then, refrigerate your layered pudding for a minimum of 4 hours, or until it is completely set. Your beautiful layered pudding is almost ready to enjoy. Once fully chilled and set, it's time for the finishing touches. You can top it with a generous dollop of whipped cream, fresh berries, or even some chocolate shavings for an extra treat. For an elegant presentation, serve individual portions in small glasses. Enjoy your homemade, delightful layered pudding.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.